Little hatch grays. There's some KEARNY grays. No, skanky as shit, ain't they? All grays. Dirty gray. No, he ain't real skanky colored. There's another gray KEARNY. There's one that's kind of skanky colored. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Give me about 2 3/4 tie on there. We got a really nice dark KEARNY here. He's a brother to the lemon hackle one that I posted that had the band number on him. But this is a dark one. Full brothers. This one just turned dark. I've got a KEARNY stag here. Really nice one. Got that good KEARNY attitude, lemon hackle. Got plenty of leg. I mean, lots of leg. He's just a little tiny baby. His band number is 2131. He's marked outright. He's out of the rooster that we call Short Bus, which was a really good rooster. That's his daddy. If you want a nice KEARNY broodcock, here you go. Little penny stag. What do you think, pretty boy? Huh? Easy now. Easy now. What do you think, huh? Half KEARNY and half Lacey. We got a black poet here. Super nice. Got long wings, got a really good back, lots of leg. Nice, beautiful little head. Fixing to go in this pen full of her sisters.